Well, howdy doody, friends. DT's got house. You know, thing about it is if you're feeling the heat from the movie The Heat with Sandra Bullock and Melissa McCarthy's new buddy cop comedy, you know, it's coming under fire following the release of a new UK movie poster for the film. You know, the poster inside of it, you know, looks like McCarthy looks nearly unrecognizable. While there are some arguing to be a bad Photoshop job. Quote, nobody is unclear what Melissa McCarthy's body size is. She's a plus size and proud. So why have the designers of the poster done their utmost to Photoshop a good 30 pounds off of McCarthy's face? And British entertainment companies, they took a look at this and said this is one of the worst Photoshops I've ever seen. But it's not just offensively bad craftsmanship. The intention behind it is downright nasty. Poor Melissa. You know, in the image, a 42-year-old actress' face appears to be slimmer. Critics claim that the bridesmaid star is a victim of a Photoshop diet. And, basically, model Christy Brinkley shared her reaction to the McCarthy's new poster. And she said, quote, I've been Photoshopped before. I think it's kind of weird to do it with actors because obviously you can't Photoshop a movie. And you're going to be seeing the actors as they are in the movie. You get to know the actors, and you just love them the way they are. We all love Melissa McCarthy just the way she is. Now, what do you think? Because everybody wants to know, what do you think? You know, do you think she looks Photoshopped? Do you think this is Melissa McCarthy, and you know, in her real form? You know, so Calabrius doesn't really have an opinion on this, but you let me know, huh?